Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I wanted to do a summary of how my budgeting for the month of July went. The month of July, I got off a little easy because one week I was on vacation with my parents and I didn't have to pay for anything. Thank you, Mom and Daddy. Greatly appreciate it. So that did help. But I still had, my cash envelope system for the month, and I put out $450, and that's what I used to live off of for the month of July. So at the end of the month, this is how much cash I had left. Out of my groceries budget, I had $0 left. Out of my household budget, I had $0 left. Out of shopping, I had $5 left. Entertainment, I had $28 left. And restaurants, I had $70 left, for a grand total of $40 left out of my budget of $450. So, I have mixed feelings about it because last month I had $126 left over, and this month I only had $40 left over. So, I don't really know what happened, especially because I had that 1 week where I didn't have to spend any money on groceries or food or anything. So it's like, I don't know what happened. 1 weekend, my brother came and he was here, and I did more shopping than I normally would have if he hadn't been here for the weekend. Went to the mall and I got a book from Barnes and Noble, and I got one of those little, wait a second, hold on, I'll show you. Can you see this? I got a little Killmonger. Look at him, he's so cute. I couldn't resist, and it was only $10. I've seen other people who have these, but I never knew how cheap they were. They're only $10 at Barnes and Noble. But anyway, yeah, so I only had $40 left over. So what I'm going to do, one of my followers, he suggested putting this extra cash at the end of the month, what I didn't spend, putting that in a savings account. I was saving it for a sinking fund, but I was just keeping it in a jar in my apartment. But I'm going to follow his advice and putting it in a savings account. So the 40 from this month and the 126 from last month, I'm going to combine that and put it in a savings account. I actually did that today. So I took the cash and I went to the bank, and it's deposited to my savings account now. So that money is saving towards the registration fee for my car, which is $213. So I already have 166 saved, so that's pretty good. And that's not counting whatever I saved from this month. Anyway, so that's how much cash I had left over for the month. I still had to pay $250 to my student loan payment this month, and my car payment, I had to pay $430 this month. But big news, so at the very end of July 31st, does July have 31 days, I think? Anyway, the last day of July, I looked at my bank account and I saw that I still had money in the bank. So I decided to make a huge principal payment. Since I'm doing the debt snowball, I'm just throwing money at debt, and my smallest debt is my car loan. And I was able to make a principal only payment of $1,267.47 to my car loan. I was so proud of myself. That's huge. That's 4 car payments just to principal. So I was really proud of myself for being able to do that. Even though I spent a lot of my cash budget, I still was able to, stick to my budget for the month because I had that much left over. So yeah, July was a really good month for me money-wise. I made a huge step forward in my car loan. So it was at 18,000 something but now it's at 16,000 something. And I'm going to make, I'm a visual person, and I want to make a chart of me like every month getting closer and closer to my goal. So I'm going to make a video about that. But yeah, I'm one step closer. So that's good. Also, in this video, I'll just go ahead and tell you about my plans for August. So I am going to continue to do the cash system for the month of August, and I'm still doing $450, but I am going to allocate the money a little bit differently because this month I'm going to see Beyonce in Atlanta, so I know that I'm going to be spending money that weekend. So for the month of August, I'm going to do $140 for groceries, $40 for household supplies, $80 shopping, $90 entertainment, and still $100 for restaurants. So what I beefed up was the entertainment, because usually I only do like $50 for that, but I'm sure like a weekend in Atlanta I'll do something fun, so I'm gonna budget $90 for that. It's still not like a whole lot that I can do, but you know, it's more than usual. Restaurants, I still want to keep that at 100, and I'm just going to severely limit how much I eat out before the concert in August, so that I can still have a lot to spend that weekend. It's hard because the concert's not until the 25th, so I have to basically get through the whole month, but we'll see how it goes. So yeah, that's my budget. So I'm gonna insert a clip of me stuffing my wallet in the different dividers, but that's it for the main content of the video. Stick around if you want to see me stuffing the wallet with my cash for the month. But wish me luck this month. You know, hope that I don't go overboard in Atlanta, and I hope that, you know, I'm able to not eat out as much and just stick to the budget and keep up the good fight, because I have a long road ahead of me, guys. A long road. So gotta stay motivated. So thank you for watching. Thanks for your support. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna stuff my wallet for the month of August. So as you can see, I went to the bank, and this is all the money. This is what $450 cash looks like. Woo! See? Like when you see actual money versus just a credit card or a debit card, you really understand like, oh, like this is $450. And then I'm going to spend money. Oh, it's gone. And then I'm going to spend more money. Oh, and that's gone. Now I just have this. Like it, when you can visualize it, it really does make a difference. So, okay, let's go ahead. So for groceries, I'm going to do $140, and I'm just going to use 20s for that. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. 20 times 7 is 140. So in my groceries section, I'm just going to put that in there. So now household is $40, and I'm going to use 10s for that. So 10, 20, 30, 40. $40 for household. Wait, did I want to do 10s for that? Okay, yeah, I'll just do 10s. That's fine. 10s in the household, or 40 in the household. Shopping, I'm going to do 80. Let's see. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. $80 for shopping. Put that in here. entertainment is $90. I did something wrong. And I think what I did wrong was using tens for the household. I think I wanted to use fives for that. So we're going to do household over and only use fives. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, so now this is household in fives. Like, I knew that I wanted it a certain way. I just forgot. Okay, so now entertainment. And entertainment is going to be in tens. So 90, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 6. Ah, crap. Let me start over. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Whew, y'all can tell by the way I count money. I was never a waitress or a stripper. I could not count cash fast. Goodness. So 90 in entertainment. And then restaurants, 100. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And you can choose, if you ever do this, you can choose how you want the denominations of your cash, But for me, just visually to see all that for restaurants, it just seems like, ooh, I can eat out a lot, So it's just how you want to see it. Groceries, like I know that I'll spend like at least $20 in groceries, so that's why I use 20s for that. Household, I usually buy small things that aren't expensive, so that's why I'm using fives for household. Shopping, I just chose to do that in tens to make it seem like I have more than what I really have. And the entertainment, tens too, because my entertainment is like going to a barcade. If you don't know what a barcade is, it's a really fun place where it's like a bar mixed with an arcade, but like spending $10 one day there, spending $10 at the movies or something like that. So that's why those are in tens. So yeah, that's my wallet. That's my money for the month of August. Let's see how much is there at the end of the month. But yeah, there you go.